Hey guys, today let's learn how to hide all of the posts on Facebook in just one click. So if you guys want to go ahead and hide all of the Facebook posts that you have on Facebook, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So the most that we can do in order for us to hide all of the posts on Facebook in just one click is to, of course, change the current privacy of the videos and photos and posts that we do post on Facebook. So to do this, all we need to do is tap on this option on what's on your mind, and let's tap on this option on the first drop-down box. Now, that's gonna show us our post audience, and I want you to tap on the specific option to hide this post. So we could actually tap on Only Me to basically set this as our post audience. What I want you to do on here is to tap on Set as Default Audience and tap on Done and Save, so that whatever you post in the future is gonna basically be posted to only you, and only you will only be able to see it. Now what I want you guys to do from here is to go ahead and tap on your settings right here, or your menus, and let's tap on your settings and privacy. What I want you guys to do on here is to proceed with locating where your privacy tab is. So let's go ahead and tap on your privacy shortcuts, and let's try to tap on your Facebook information. So let's tap on Access Your Facebook Information, and let's tap on your activity across Facebook, and let's tap on our posts. So let's tap on See More right there, and let's try to locate your posts over here right here. So as you see, here is where we could actually locate all of our posts that we have posted before. All we need to do, for this to load, we could actually go ahead and select these specific posts, or basically locate the specific post that we want to go ahead and hide and delete. But if you want to go ahead and hide a specific post, you can actually tap on this 3 lines on here, or 3 dots, and then tap on Change Audience to change it to Only Me, so that it can only be shown to only you. Or we could also move it to Trash, or move it to Archive to not show it from your profile. But one more thing we could also do besides this, to actually try to view our activity log. So let's go ahead and try to view this over on our settings again. So let's tap on our settings right here, and let's try to view our activity logs. Once you see our settings over here, we could actually view that, and we could also view our settings through the settings and privacy option right here. So as you see, under your activity, you can actually tap on activity log, and we can actually view our posts on here. So all you need to do to tap on the option to view or posts, basically, we could see our activity history, our public post, public tags, and stuff like that as well. When you tap on public post, this will basically show you all of the posts that you have did on public. So we can actually go in and tap on this all option to select all of these posts. Tap on this 3 dots right here, and we can actually change the audience of this too. Well, let's go ahead and tap on Change Audience, and we can actually set this to Only Me. And what that is gonna do is basically gonna change all of these public posts onto Only Me, and that's gonna only show these posts too. Well, only you who posted those posts. And that's how you could easily go ahead and set those posts and hide those posts on Facebook in just one click. Just tap on this Only Me, proceed with confirming this change, and that's basically. Wait for this video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.